So today we received a donation from TPCO America. That pipe will go to the instruction for all of our students. It will save the college a lot of money. That will support about 2 years of instruction. Usually that's about how long these donations last. This is our second donation in the last few years, and TPCO has also donated about $280,000 towards grants for training and equipment and things like that over the years. So the students will learn to do all the different angles and whatnot with the welding of the pipe. They'll use it for learning to do some fitting, things like that. But the big part is it just saves so much money on our budget for these type of programs. A welding program is really expensive because we have to basically practice on materials and then recycle them. So there's a huge demand on local talent. When you are doing construction or when you're actually standing up these refineries, chemical plants, all of these facilities, you need skilled, talented trades. All of these programs that Del Mar delivers. So there's lots of expansion. Every one of these students are going to have opportunities to go into some of these industries.